Hey everyone, our MBA students recently visited Kedge Business School for a 4-day workshop. Let's see how it went. Our day started with a delicious French breakfast, followed by an inspiring lecture at the Kedge Business School by Professor Christoph on bringing ideas to life. Post lecture, we had a great lunch, so good it almost gave us a food coma, and we quickly wrapped up the session soon after. After this, we had a lively welcoming session, and then we set off to explore Paris from the busy streets to the iconic Eiffel Tower. Day 2 was all about L'Oreal. We started with an exciting campus tour, checked out the classrooms, lecture halls, and even got a sneak peek into the wine school. Next, we had a fun session with an alumni who shared his incredible experiences working with L'Oreal, and after another round of amazing lunch, off we went to L'Oreal's office to meet the head of innovation. This was a fantastic opportunity to dive deep into L'Oreal's innovative practices and ask all our burning questions. Then we headed straight to the nearest mall and wrapped up the day with some shopping. Day 3 in Paris. We started with a case study analysis of Netflix's innovative strategies over the years. Then we set off to do Station F, the world's largest startup campus, and learned about Microsoft's accelerator program and Paris's buzzing startup scene. We even joined in on their Easter hunt, mixing learning with some playful fun. After coming back and refining our Netflix presentations a bit more, we unwound with an amazing dinner at a pretty restaurant. And as you can see, we enjoyed it so much. A final day in Paris started at the flagship FNAC store, and we learned how their innovative strategies helped them thrive through the pandemic and continue as a leading brick and mortar. We then quickly wrapped up the amazing workshop by coming back to the business school, giving our presentations on the case study, receiving certifications, and saying our goodbyes to Kedge. With the official program complete, we took a couple of days to play tourist, starting with the magical Disneyland, and damn was it beautiful. We immersed ourselves completely in the beauty of the city. The music, dance, and the breathtaking views added to our adventure, leaving us with a transformative experience and, of course, loads of memories.